How to check CPU temperature and what to do if it is high. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, right click on your taskbar, then go to Task Manager. Now this will appear. After that, what you will have to do is go to this performance, select CPU, and here you will find CPU utilization and all its detail. Here you can see my CPU activity is normal and it's not high. But if in your case it is high, what you will have to do is simply turn off your computer for some time and then give it a little rest to cool down and turn it back on. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.